that sound boy, calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Y'all leave?
No, big up Charlie Brown, and Royalty, and the man King Edison. So we go take him some out of the come on, and dead man, come on, okay?
Premature.
You know me name how to talk. 6 pack. 6 pack. I'll take your papas. Certified. This one is.
What
Who fell me your finger? One more round.
Yeah. 6 pack.
Good night. Yeah, mechanic, me talk about care. On a blood clot laptop workout about laptop, excuse my language. If you are here with the man then, you talk about man, you talk about my man next to me. You are really just smoke, you hear you can pay much in the party.
You know 6 pack up in town.
You ain't right for the party, you can't pay me.
Come up to that
You
blood.
want one side of me, I'm telling you one side of me, I hear you.
Motherfucking niggas, you know one time I got you with the attaching. And you know. Oh, let motherfucking niggas, you know. I need money I spend. Speedy. And you know. Ruthless, even a blood clot, toothless. Fat boy.
And you
You know what you got, boy? I'm from Rousseau, call me up over. I'm a stick to 6 pack.
you can't pay me. But if you never heard that, then one side of me, I hear you. And the same thing with the money. You are really kill a money, I hear you. They even a doctor down here, they are.
They shoot you now, so they be driver. No guns, I can watch them with that kind. Will it take you tonight?
They must say, all of us guys go there when they box to you. They go there real. They hold my money for they go there. You understand?
Alright. Oh, you play killer, right? Me a go play one killer picnic. Oh, you know killer picnic? Remember, you know, you see that picnic, if he kill him father, don't have me friend. Go me a go play a killer picnic and kill the killer here. You know what which killer picnic me a go play?
So yes, your time, you know, I can't representing the tech now, the Brody team, and Charlie B. So yes, your time, you know, it's a different club that they do want to be. Keep it like a ball, you know,
If you know the top of White Star sound, shut your mouth. This is the White Star sound. Everybody's got that sound. Fire tree, I will kill you. Because of your say free girl. I'm not telling you so. I said, she said, it's true. Fire tree, what's up? She said, "You're easy." Come to this girl. I shall not even go speak it. I shall just keep it.
Listen,
Don't come so you can speed it. Don't act like a punch man. Let's go live. This and that as a beast man. You a shell. You got man. You got what's water. Yeah. Come on, my son.
Charlie Brown, nobody want to fuck with you. Because years and years they have this song. And I want about keep the king in your blood clot that you need. Hey, we said, nobody with it. Nobody I pop on them, nobody, water certified. Nobody I pop on them, water certified. I'm going to eat you. You understand that's it, yo. Alright, you want one. You want one. Lexus, you know, more than put on an event with me and take that certified, take that because I pop on 6 months at the next one. I pop on me.
yeah, hold on.
I don't have time. I pop on certified. Relax.
Come in, 6 pack.
Don't you run up and choke me like a Palm Beach, you know? You feel like you can run up on that sound. That's so that, you know, some fun thing I do now. I'll put that up. I'll play some song. 6 months!
Rise the 6 blood clot, black on them boy, on them blood clot, head back.
Speed it!
Want some bumbo boy, on them blood clot, don't flip that right on the run the trap, why I'm passing this.
Which part ever killed me? Remember when the airplane strike force in the boy? I'm about to run down the block. Sorry about that, but I'm a customer. Remember me kill already in the boy? You never kill 10 9. Hey boy, go with the bag of outside. Hey boy, walk this. Walk this.
Yo, Big 9, 3 9. Yo, Charlie Craig.
Afterwards, some blood clot. Kill us all. White Star song. I'm on my song. I'm on. Come on, kill. Some song I beg kill. White Star song. I'm killer. And kill. Some song why I beg kill. White Star you say you want killer. And kill. Some song why I beg kill. White Star. Won't save you. And kill. Some song why I beg kill. But you don't know it. How you go kill John?
Yeah, bro. 4 generation now. Bad man, yeah. Stellar 5 sound. Man like speed, you know. Some boy when you was saying that after attacking a gunshot in the face of some boy there. None of them. Fuck yeah. Bad man, yeah. Stellar 5 sound. Speed, he said. Yes, I'm from
6 bar.
Are you like a David King? Are you like Guns and Levi?
Everybody hear me. Give my finger there, clap. Let's see one boy.
Hold on. Hold on there. Hold on. A man just trying to walk. The body so. Hold on. Keep trying to say that just trying to walk. Hold on. Come over there, son. Come over there, son. Yes, yes, son. And one, two, hold on there. Hey. Mama.
Yeah. A full-time, you need stop play slideshow.
Thank you.
Full-time, you need to stop. Munashani, I will keep it. Language. The full-time, you stop play slideshow, brother. I don't, hey, see me talk like because sit down and observe, stop play slideshow. I press my tutor that. Yeah, all right. Yeah, that's a clear man.
I original 05 guns and I don't stand on my house and come on friend. Now here's some guy around don't talk about them and they go up on them and they can't take it off the guy and farm and they go. Now it's many farm and they go to surf and man and play a shot and get it on the mouth. Here's some guy around and talk about can and post the whole man circle the icon go light it. Some boy around and talk about them and speech and the surf 5 days. Now here's surf 5 man them. We don't speech and before shot and head back to the white days make people find far outside and ask them out. Easy always company, Paris speed and them man around the bush and all the grand school them man, Chaman, Brooklyn, run things there by pens on a pen, fire and a fire and all the gun man them. Run set the phone and man the line. Easy them man, they go to some of the guys also. Now step up. When I say, that's why you have fun when you gonna come. Sacrifice and put them when I say, that's why you have fun when you gonna come. My fans are put them, so respect what they do and them.
Six pack.
Good night. When you play photo like this.
Six pack. Somebody talking about oh, man, sit down. Ain't that going on?
You play photo like this. You play photo like this.
They don't know what they want. Do not go. Play the kid of passion. Stay the kid. They don't learn. Rollers and go. Fight one. I'll go by you to certain dance. Mama.
And just joining the race. The race. We have King Trendsetter. That was going on for the answer. 20 to 1. Take 9.
Hey boy, them boy we are play people song. About woman a play booty, pussy yeah. But intro.
I'm going to talk to them so I'm going to chat about it. Fire team, mommy, brother, boy.
silent assassin that you know. Listen here.
Come on, let two brave man come collide with 7-5 and now the world capsize. Run upon them speeding, power, schedule, and breath. And let's come on. Come on, let's come back to the sing. Oh, baby. This is what I've been to someone. Oh, God.
Make the song them play, man. We have one time, you know.
Really big and fast. Listen, me a play my song, no. No, me a play my song, no. Tell me, I remember you on your song. I'm giving you play money in the play, I'm throwing you my money rolling. You understand? You can't understand me.
Who see a call a bad man here, you got done? Speed is a put bullet in your blood clot head. One of them are the talking it, chalking it. Ruthless! Or some boy, we are going to shoot people, we're not shooting like that. Fuck boy, come on, from Blue Street, how about you? Man, run on them, gunshot, the blood clot here and here. Baby thing! One some boy, turn off with. Who look the bunch of Mr. Action? Black and blood clot, gun on here, never share. Action! 6 pack, I'm a strap. I know them not 6 pack, they're my car. To them, I think I'm not putting them on the top. Now them red was delivered to the top. Like a covered like a answer a crowd.
King Trendsetter.
Sometimes King Trendsetter song, we send train man, some boy drop everything. Watch out, we stand firm. So watch out, tell me, don't worry yourself. I'm saying, no one has been together. Some boy the better now. That's not the from stage show. King Trendsetter, we have in power, we have in power. Tell something to sound that make a back up and free. We have in power, we have in power. Tell me that we are in the story of now. There's a story we are going
If we can obey the rules of the game, we will start the game. See? When the tune play, only the selector pull on the tune. See? Anyway, Alexa.
I want to start running from that.
You see, a lot of people are saying, well, Alexis elimination, but we're not that. We're not no elimination. We just a unification. That one of the sound man there, my brother. You understand? I appreciate them putting themselves on a truck and come down here and buy diesel and gas and food. Some of them are stop a pum pum shop and then way back and buy pum pum. We now violate them. Play on the sound and enjoy the sound.
Yo, this is Steve Marley talking. King Prince State sound, top sound, singing. Mega, Selector, Terra, Super Tree, VJ, Ricky, E-Style, Diana, Sentan, Godrod, Zlapadi. Some boy try to imitate her. To them now have no style. King Trendsetter sound. Yo, this is Steve Marley talking. King Prince State sound, top sound, singing. Mega, Selector, Terra, Super Tree, VJ, Ricky, E-Style, Diana, Sentan, Godrod, Zlapadi. Some boy try to imitate her. To them now have no style. King Trendsetter sound anointed with some powerful words. Some boy try to persecute her with envy and grudge, but Trendsetter sound anointed. King Trendsetter, you don't make mistakes.
Hey, hold off there. With no disrespect, I make it sound playing every night, you know. What do you say? Alright. So take 9. You better grab out the slicer.
Big up, Tech 9 Sound, Charlie Brydon, Roddy T, Paula Smith, Pluto Liz.
Then I stand up to the breakfast table while the kids were going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches it out and takes my hands, squeezes it and says, how you feeling, love? Then I look across and smile, then warms my heart and see my morning sun.
Meditation, big up and big 6 months out, man.
Yeah. Right now, big people in the mic are starting to
Ram to the mic. Ram to the mic.
Yo, sensation. Yes. What in the mega? Sensation. You're on the bill for come here, you know. And that's why we exercise these things. So when you come, you can't say you're coming unpredicted war. You know what goes on every hour upon the hour. Alright? Keep chasing.
Yes, sir. This is Iron Apple Gabriel, the original founder and lead singer of Israel Vibration, with the song called Trendsetter Sound. Big up the man called Mega, Andre, VJ, big up Fort Lauderdale and Miami. This one straight to a sound boy, Bumbo Clad Head. Kill him dead.
What is the techno? I smell weed or burn. I smell cigarette or smoke. Please. If we go kill this thing boy and break it, we can't have no smoking in the venue. And if you want burn weed, stop burn bush weed and burn good weed. Alright? But outside though, take it away, take it.
I'm no fear. Look at there is here. No have been brought to my attention. That's on the very immediate sound from far to contest 10-9 team. Now I'm one thing to say to them. Like a candle, stay up on me and find your way back home. Song, you're quite a fly.
Yeah, take 9. I want sound in here. Could have counteract that song there. And a hot step I will call it back. Them the bad like me. Hey, son, Mitchell.
Hey, I'm back to the microphone stand representing White Star Sound. Yeah, man, big up fire team. Brother, peace, Excalibur, yo, listen. We keep a man for them spurs. What's that?
just fall over and give up and sing. And 6 Pack is the #1 song that we can sing. Patch, check, love, speed it, fuck, shot. What's all this? 6 Pack don't care for you at all.
King Trendsetter.
Some boy over there, so you know, say a trendsetter rule any territory. No music maker, DJ, terror, E-style, run things, now it's up to the house and down to the trendsetter massive. Trendsetter killing any territory. With this Billy Jackson of the man has representing King Trendsetter, we set the trend. Selected era, Mega, VJ, East we got Fort Lauderdale, Guyana, St. Anne's, and Jamaica. Ooh, King Trendsetter, yeah. Play the sounds. There's no sound like when you set a sound. There's no sound that can test the sound.
Take man. Look like you have the one that part with us a laugh.
Yo, this is I-Don representing Tech 9, the Roddy team. Sing on, sing on, sing on.
Before you play your next song, we have 5 minutes to go. When the light comes on, we have 1 minute to go. But they'll give you a special segment. Any DJ can play the best splice dub in here tonight. After 1 minute to go, the best splice dub. I'll be the winner. Alexa, play. Yeah.
1 minute.
Fort Lauderdale, Gunrise, St. Anne, Guyana. Can't change with the story for King Trendsetter. That's the biggest thing they don't know, you know. That's a pretty good way, you know. Bam! Bust that one, the sizzler, keep it up, punch my selector, keep it going.
Yeah, I was king of
represent for the great King Trent 7 year old thing, but we said the trend. Boy, life at end. I would have talked about going and money we have spent. I would have talked about the big friend. Yo, Steve Marley stepped to the face. I want to raise them.
King Trent Center, Channel Take
9. What about 9? Take 9. What?
You look like you have something up your sleeve. Open up supplies, you know.
6 pack up.
It's a 1-1.
Move your blood, I better pack up and go. You can't go now. All of that can't go now.
What about big take 9? Take 9. He has some sense in that. Because there's not like money.
See how you?
Yeah. Skin sounds. Skin sounds.
Excalibur, Fire Team, Breeder, Dix. I am the
Alright. With all due respect, it seems like the proprietor liked it. So guess what? The next time, play one more tune. Virgin, Alright, hold on. So for most of the man do it 15 more minutes. One hour get to 12 o'clock come back for one buckle watch man. Lock off, back up. Play your last song and pack up this one, Virgin. No man, you don't play, we're not more song. We're not more song, let's be.
Take 9, gonna kill you. Hey, son, boy, I'm
No man. Alexa gave me one song. Tony, play a song now. I'll play for you, Mara. Quick and fast.
Keep sound! White Star sound! Excalibur, Fire Team, Kings, Breeder. This is Watch this! Yeah!
Sound boy, calling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy